being gross and nasty. I want to go home.
Too bad. You're part of the family. And being part of the family means
What are you doing?
Why should I pretend I'm happy?
Y'all want to play? Where's your mama? Where's your mama? Pretty baby. She's a girl. She's a good girl. There she is. Pretty baby. Runny nose. Tell ya. I'm going to do what about your nose, honey. Hey. Hey. I don't be a bit. Oh. Get her. Get her. Get her. Hi there. Are you going to play with me? You want to get out? Oh, you want to get out? Oh, you're so cute. You bite your brother. What'd you do that for? What'd you do that for? Pretty babies. Oh, hi. Out there. You're so cute. Hey, what you doing? Precious.
Dexter Morgan. This is
He's gonna bite your foot. You got little feet.
It is my good friend.
You got little bitty feet.
When you broke into my
You got big feet for a girl.
time to get to know me.
Got big feet for a girl. Yeah.
My secret.
Tap on your brother. Tap on him. You're gonna beat him up? Beat him up. Beat him up.
There's a tiny text message.
Oh.
A very tiny.
Cute.